Okay, I'm going to start, go to groups. I click on the group that I'm in. Click on group discussion board. Open the thread that's already there or create a thread. And I'll say, hey, hi everybody. Okay, I'm going to hit submit. I'll hit submit and create that thread, but then once I do, and I cast it to YouTube, after I do that, what I'll do then is go to the discussion board or back into the module 3A and click on the thread in the SOM assignment, and I'll put my name and post it by clicking this insert embed and putting the URL that was created right there and hitting submit. Alright,